We talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Webull app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on menu down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on settings here, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on chart settings, you just click on it here. So then you come to next step, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, just keep going down, you come here to access scalp, just click on it. So then here can you select it in this list here, then it's going to show for you in this chart here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.